Grade 2 students. Okay, in this time we are going to review the living things and non-living things. We have to divide the lesson into two parts. First 6 minutes we have to discuss about living things and non-living things, and the 6 minutes remaining can we can review to the first chapter or first unit of our lesson. So let's begin. We all know that living things can move, can eat, can jump. However, non-living things cannot. So the best example here is, okay, this is a living things and this is a non-living things. Why? Because dog is a living things, and this one, a puppy or a dog, doesn't have life. So living things are things that are alive. Animals, plants, humans are living things. Like this, a man, baby, and a woman are living things. So all living things, all human beings, plants, animals are living things. Okay, let's proceed. A dog and a cat and a butterfly. Okay, those are the living things. Coconut trees and cactus plant, these are living things. Now, what are the other living things that you know? We all know that non-living things are things that are not alive. So like a doll, cell phone or mobile phone, and a chair. Actually, we have many non-living things that we know. We have bread and orange juice. Those are non-living things. Okay, what are the other non-living things that you know? Are living things and non-living things the same? Of course not, because living things have different characteristics. How do we tell living things from non-living things? Simply because living things need food to survive. We need food. And then we eat plants and animals as our food. Some animals like zebras and cows eat plants as their foods. Some tigers, such as lions and tigers, eat other animals as food. And the sunflower, our plants can make their own food by photosynthesis, using the sunlight with the use of their leaves. Plants need sunlight, water, and air to do so. So, non-living things do not need food, like this bear. What else do living things need? Living things need water. Living things need water because it helps the body to function well. Did you know that you drink almost 8 glasses of water every day, so that you can have a function well, or your body function well, when you are hydrated? Okay. So most animal drinks from the direct source of water, like elephants drink water from the rivers, and caterpillars as well drink from the leaves. And plants need water too. Yes, of course, the plants need water for them to grow. How about the non-living things? Do they need water, food? I don't think so. Non-living things such as teddy bear do not need water. Here we need as well as air to breathe. Some animals also breathe through their nose, like dog, horse. And some animals such as fish breathe through their gills, like this. Oh, this is the gills, by the way. Gills is you can use gills to breathe under the water. Underwater. Plants breathe through the tiny pores on their leaves, and the tiny pores also called the stomata. What are the difference between living things and non-living things? Living things grow, of course, like baby to child like you, and it will become an adult, so it grows increasingly. Kitten to become adult cat, from tadpole to a frog. What else? Corn seed to a corn seedlings, and then it will become a young corn plants and an adult corn plants. So how about the dog? Non-living things do not grow. Yes, do not grow. Living things carry out excretion to remove the waste materials from their bodies. Like a puppy, they urinate. It contains water, harmful waste materials to go out from their body. When we sweat, we are removing waste materials from our body. And plants excrete carbon dioxide and oxygen through the stomata on their leaves. What else are different characteristics? Living things can move by themselves, of course. We can walk, run with the use of our legs. Animals move in many ways. Some walk, fly, slither, swim, run, jump, and climb, like this. So we discussed this one last meeting. So these are the animals that can walk, fly, slither, swim, run, and jump or climb. Plants do not move to one place to another place, but they show movements too. So sunflowers move their flowers to follow the sun, and they can reproduce from their seeds. Okay, so the other part for the term test, we discussed like chapter 1 about plants. So this is the second one. So we done with the first one with the living things. So here also has a living things, but it we will go back a little bit because we will answer 2 of your workbook, like page 18 and 19. So chapter 1, plants. So plants need, look at the chili plant. Chili plants are growing healthy and producing many chilies. Why? Because what do animals plants need to grow well? They need what? Water. Of course, they need water. They need sunlight. And they need what? Fertilizer. They need fertilizer for them to grow. And we put a little water to the plants. Why? Because if we put many water on the plants will die. However, if we put a little water, of course the water will dry out, or the soil will dry out. So it needs enough water to put so that this plant will grow well. Okay. Now look at the boy. This boy is lazy to put the water. So it happened that the plants will start wilting and going to die. So that is how the importance of the water to the plants. So here, plants need the right amount of water for healthy growth. Okay, again, we need the right amount, not too much, not too little. We need the right amount of water for healthy growth of the plant. Look at here. So in here, this plant doesn't have water. It has little water, or not. It's very less or little water in this plant. So that it happened that it will die. Plants will wilt and die if they do not get enough water. As I said, they need right amount of the water. Oh, look at here, the other scenario, other picture. This other picture has many water. You put many water. So however, too much water is bad as well for plants too. Because why? Because the plants will going to die. If too much or little, it will die. So we will answer your workbook on page 18. We will answer 2 pages, 18 and 19. Okay? And answer your Science 2 book. So in here, please open your Science 2 book on page 18. Page 18, and then we will answer the next one. Will be the term test A and B. So 2 pages that we are going to answer today. So let's start from here. Letter H. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 numbers. Okay. I will give you 3 answers, and then you answer the rest. Okay. Now first, you have to underline the correct words. Again, underline the correct words. Okay. Let's start. I give 3 answers. Okay. So let's start with number 1. A zebra is a blank. Living or non-living things? A zebra is a blank. Living or non-living things? Of course, it's a living things. Okay, so we're done with number 1. Okay, number 2. Living, non-living things are things that are not alive. The word are not alive. Are not alive. You have the keyword there. Are not alive. Are not alive. So meaning it's non-living thing. Okay, you underline the non-living living things. Okay, one more. Non-living things blank can, cannot grow. Again, the keyword there is non-living things. Non-living things can or cannot grow. So, if you think that is cannot, okay, you underline. Easy, right? So, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, you answer by what? Underlining the right word. First, you read and then understand. Okay, I give you time to answer this. You can pause this video, or you can have 5 minutes to answer this. Okay, time is up. For the next, we will answer term test 1. So we have A and B. State the things needed by plants to live and grow healthy. Okay, I'm going to write the answer here. Okay, I give you a hint so that you have an idea what are you going to do. Okay, so in here you answer S. And then the last word there is T. S T. Or I give you one more. S U. S U. K for the sunlight. So next we have 3 letter A. Toot, toot. A blank R. And also we have N. Okay, and the last word is here is nutrients. Okay, NU. You can find this, or you can go back on page number 2. You can go back to page number 2 to answer this. Okay, W blank 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 and R. Okay, again you can find here the answer in page number 2. Go back and look for page number 2. Okay, page number 2. And here we have, do the plants get enough water? So you can find the answer on page 1. Okay, you can find the answer on page page number 1. Okay, go back to page 1. All you have to do is you write here. Okay, I'll give you one example now. Because this is the word that you're going to fill in the blanks. This word. So in here, I give you number 2. Too much. Sorry. Too much water. Too much water. Too much water, finish. So go back to page 1. Page 1. This one is page 2 and page 1. Okay? You have any more question? See you in the next video. Goodbye.